ड्रंक अँड ड्रायव्ह आड 2 ऑगस्टाच्यान खासा उपक्रम सुरू केला. आतां मेरेन सोरो पिवन गाडी चलोवप्यां आड 14 केशी कोर्टात धाडल्या. हो उपक्रम असोच चालू उरतलो म्हूण फोंडें ट्राफिक PI कृष्णा सिनारी हांच्यांनी म्हायती दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर फोंडेच्यान विदिता प्रभू.
सर ही जी
एज पर आमचो सेकंड ऑगस्ट आमचो ड्रंक अँड ड्रायव्ह स्पेशल ड्रायव्ह चालू जाल्लो and since then on the 2nd we have booked 5 cases against drunk and driving. Yesterday we have booked 7 cases and today also we already started. We already booked 2 and this drive will go continuously. Especially we are deploying Nakabandi during night times to check the drunk and driver. Okay, until today we have booked 14 cases. Out of it, all the 14 cases we have sent it to the court, wherein there is a punishment of rupees 10,000 or more, or he may be imprisoned for more up to 6 months. And there is also provision in this the person who is found drunken driving, who is person found in drunken, so we recommended his license for suspension, and it will also get suspended for 3 months. And overall, till today, from January till today, in this year we have already 74 cases of drunken driving. So we will come heavily on the drivers who are found consume alcohol and driving the vehicles.
so how many licenses have been suspended till now?
Till now, we have already submitted 74 proposals, and the licenses being suspended by RTO.
Okay. So this
will continue till further instructions. And actually, we on daily basis also we conduct drive. We book the cases under drunken driving, and this is a special drive. It will continue.
So where are these mainly?
Mainly the drive is at Baitagol Junction. Okay, Baitagol Junctions and market areas. And wherever if my enforcement staff is there, whoever is found drunken, we check him and we issue a charge. He's been booked under this. जेन्नाच्या फायन वाडल्या सो पिपल्स मातशे अवेअर जाल्यात, सो इट इन्क्रीज इन फायन. आधी 100 rupees असले, now it is 1,000 rupees. So for helmets, and there is also suspension of license for helmet. So people are getting aware, and we find most of the people are wearing helmet. There are some cases where if any person is found without helmet, we book them. But people are getting aware and they are putting helmets, wearing helmets. आमकां वेहिकल दिल्या which we use for clamping. So आमचो जो unauthorized parking, no parking in the vehicles are थंय आमचो मार्केट where there is a parking place. If you park on that place, there obstruction जायना. So it is a smooth flow of traffic. आपण आमी खंयसर पार्क केली गाडी, so it आनी आमकां गावली, there we issue a channel. It is a loss for the person. So he should obey the traffic rules. खंयसर कितें आहा he should obey traffic, and plus he should see that तेजी safety and other safety.
So फोंड्या सिटी भितर सो दिसाक तरी आसतना क्लॅम्पिंग केसीस कितल्यो जाता म्हणल्यार
On an average we book 20 cases on an average. तरी आसून लोक कितें आसता थंयसर पार्किंग केल्या तितून मार्किंग केल्या तितून पार्क करिनात. इजी वे खंयसर गाडी लायतात, मातसो वयतात म्हणटात आनी गाडी थंयच सांडटा आनी वयतात, which causes inconvenience to other